Okay, my name is Stone, and this is a bird. Yeah, that's a bird.
My name is Rachel.
And for my project, I'm going to do a little skit video thing.
Yeah.
And we painted our arms and our chest, and yeah, not our face.
To look like the sage grouse bird, to give you guys a representation of what they go through.
So that's why we're painted like a bird, like the bird that I'm doing. And Pixie, the girl that you see at the very beginning of the video, is the interviewer that is telling everybody about what we're talking about in our reality TV show for the birds, because we are the birds.
Yeah.
We are the birds.
So you'll see the birds talk about like why they're extinct and
yeah, stuff like that.
Alright.
Howdy, my name's Pixie. I'm with the Wild West. Today we're observing the Centro Circus, or Phocinus, better known as sage grouse. So let's go ahead and check in with the birds.
We're going extinct. We're going extinct. It's their habitat.
The population is declining because them settlers started settling on the sage grouse habitat, ruining it.
Settlers started to inhabit their range.
This is us inhabiting their range.
Housing and agricultural activities remove their habitat.
Right on. What's next? We are kids.
These settlers were also known to hunt the sage grouse.
The hunting is completely unregulated.
Yeah, girl, that ain't right.
That ain't right.
That ain't right, man.
There are also all kinds of nasty invading plants and animals, including predators.
Oh. Them predators. There's also natural disasters, such as wildfires, specific diseases,
So the problem with the legislation is that we have laws, but we do not use them.
On April 30th, 2018, a coalition of environmental groups sued Interior and BLM, Bureau of Land Management, for policies that get protections for imperial greater sage grouse and allow oil and gas leases on nearly 2 million acres of the bird's prime habitat, according to environmental law at Harvard.
Wildfires happen when it's really hot and it can't be controlled.
Wait till it gets close.
According to the new mapping, 99.9% of the 1.3 million acres being offered for oil and gas leases in upcoming sales in Wyoming intersects with sage grouse habitat on public lands in the state. And Trump plans to lease and develop oil and gas resources on public lands or managed by the United States that will impact sage grouse. Oil.
A Congressional Review Act to sweep away the destructive federal plans, allowing the state plans and private conservation efforts to work as intended.
And the sage grouse plans were implemented with 4 main RODs, records of decision, that went through the most of the legally required steps before publication, but they were never really submitted to Congress for the review under CRA.
Help from the community. It can be achieved by creating awareness through hunting rules. It requires time and effort from the community of humans, though. Not chill.
Yeah, well.
Okay.
The humans could build a conservation for us.
It's a form of protection.
What she said.
It creates a form of protection.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Taking the time to let people know about us, and they can achieve that by helping to preserve us.
Yeah. They also made an act for us, the Endangered Species Act.
The Department of Interior finalized landmark conservation plans to protect the greater sage grouse while preventing the need for Endangered Species Act listing. And the environmental law that was passed serves as the enacting legislation to carry out provisions. And this can obviously be achieved by following the law.
So our last solution would be then to cut down on human population, since you want to cut down on ours. Right, like payback, broken neck. If we cut down on the people, we don't have to build as many houses. If the humans cut back on producing humans, then they wouldn't have to build as many houses, and they wouldn't be taking over other animals' lands.
Bro, why are you so right?
I'm so right. What are you gonna do, Stone? What are you gonna do to help me? What are you gonna do to help the sage grouse birds?
I think we could do this by creating awareness, like we've been saying. And if I didn't know what these type of birds were before this project, then I'm pretty sure that other people don't know what this bird is. Like most of the people in this class. So, yeah. People don't try to help me save this bird, then I'm gonna just do it myself. I'm gonna just do it myself. Save the birds. The bird is a word. A $1.5 million deal aims to help a species of the bird in one of the most remote corners of Utah to survive in spite of its trend of declining populations. It affects humans because the food chain also plays a role in the effects of the sage grouse extinction. An animal going extinct changes the habitat completely. Every living thing lives off of the other. In the end, we will not have a source of food because they all adapted to different things. We need to help preserve the sage grouse so everything stays intact and the bird does not go extinct and affect the whole population.